picked up the Wheeler, the F.A.T wrench. It's a firearm torque wrench. You probably heard me talk about it. I've got my Remington 700 5R and 308. I've got it pretty much where I can want it right now to start shooting it. I got the Vortex Viper PST 6 to 24 by 50 front focal, first focal plane scope. So I bought the Seekins 30mm rings and the Seekins 20 MOA base, and I needed something to torque it down with. I didn't want to chance stripping anything out, so I found this. A little pricey. I mean, you can get it here and there deal on it. Gainer Mountain wanted $60 for it, and I found it on Amazon and a couple other places for around $40, $45. But basically it's just like a screwdriver style torque wrench, and it goes from 10 all the way up to 65 pounds, and it's just got to pull and twist. It goes by 5 increments. Which I use for my scopes. It also comes in a little carrying case, and it has 10 more popular bits, star bits, socket attachment, some Allen heads, and some different size flathead screwdrivers. And this thing says it was calibrated. I take it by that means it was probably made in China or Japan, or one of the two. But it says the torque settings, calibration, at 10 inch-pounds it read 11.25, at 30 inch-pounds it read 29.70, and at 60 inch-pounds it calibrated in at 5.9 or 59.80. So it's pretty darn close to for the calibration. And again, that's it there. Mountain scope rings, base screws, pretty much anything you need to torque. And this is in inch-pounds. Again, that's from Wheeler, the F.A.T wrench, the Firearm Accurizing Torque Wrench from Wheeler Engineering. Definitely a great little tool. I couldn't find, I mean, you can get online and find like the T-handle style, but this thing, I mean, it's got some weight to it, and it just feels great in your hand. I used it last night to torque my scope rings down. Again, it just pops and twists and locks back into place. But if you guys are in the market, this is a great little torque wrench, and you can use it practically anything that you can fit a 1/4 inch bit into. And it just breaks. I mean, you use it and then it just breaks free, and then you know you've set it at that spec. So if you guys are looking in the market for torque wrench, I highly recommend this, especially if you can find it on sale. Like I said, it is a little pricey, but torquing to specs with a little blue Loctite, the medium shrink Loctite, will ensure, or at least help ensure, that you're not going to strip the heads off, and that's going to save you a lot of money from a trip to the gunsmith. So if you guys are in the market for scope mounts, go ahead and pick you up one of these. It's a great tool to have. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/JC Paracord Works with a Z. The link will be down below. Stick around, guys. I got a lot more videos coming. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel, and till then, I'll see you on the next one.